If an image is 24 centimeters in front of a mirror, what does the negative sign indicate about its position? A. The image is virtual. B. The image is on the left side of the mirror. C. The image is real. D. The image is on the right side of the mirror. The correct answer is B. The image is on the left side of the mirror. What is the C unit of radioactivity? A. Becquerel. B. Curie. C. Roentgen. D. Rutherford. The correct answer is A. Becquerel. What is the chemical formula for butanol? A. CH3CH2CH2CHO. B. CH3CH2CH3. C. CH3CH2CH2CH2O. D. CH3CH2CH2CO. The correct answer is C. CH3CH2CH2CH2O. What specific body parts are mentioned as being examined by doctors using head mirrors? A. Brain, lungs, and heart. B. Eye, ear, nose, and throat. C. Hands, feet, and arms. D. Kidneys, liver, and stomach. The correct answer is B. Eye, ear, nose, and throat. What is the typical near point for a healthy human eye? A. 100 centimeters. B. 25 centimeters. C. 10 centimeters. D. 50 centimeters. The correct answer is B. 25 centimeters. What is the meaning of rad in terms of units? A. Radius. B. Radian. C. Radical. D. Radiant. The correct answer is B. Radian. What are the primary reproductive organs in the female human body? A. Uterus. B. Sperm. C. Ovary. D. Testis. The correct answer is C. Ovary. What type of reaction is involved in the interconversion of electrical and chemical energy in electrochemical cells? A. Acid-base reaction. B. Combustion reaction. C. Precipitation reaction. D. Redox reaction. The correct answer is D. Redox reaction. Besides destroying trees, what other significant impact do cyclones have on people? A. They enhance agricultural output. B. They create new job opportunities. C. They affect the livelihood of many people. D. They improve economic conditions. The correct answer is C. They affect the livelihood of many people. Which elements are found in copper sulfate? A. Copper, carbon, oxygen. B. Copper, silicon, oxygen. C. Copper, sulfur, oxygen. D. Copper, hydrogen, oxygen. The correct answer is C. Copper, sulfur, oxygen. What type of arrangement do cells and fibers have in areolar tissue? A. Loosely arranged. B. Randomly scattered without organization. C. Tightly packed. D. Densely layered. The correct answer is A. Loosely arranged. What substance was shown to be essential for both candle combustion and mouse survival in the experiments? A. Nitrogen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Oxygen. D. Water. The correct answer is C. Oxygen. What is the concentration of glucose, anhydrous in mol/liter in the new ORS formulation? A. 65 mol/liter. B. 10 mol/liter. C. 75 mol/liter. D. 20 mol/liter. The correct answer is C. 75 mol liter. What did the narrator find in the cool and dark forest? A. Sticks. B. Angry voices. C. Food and water. D. Humans. The correct answer is C. Food and water. Which action demonstrates a force applied by an animate agency? A. A magnet attracting iron filings. B. Wind blowing leaves. C. A person pushing a door. D. A rock falling. The correct answer is C. A person pushing a door. What is a primary reason for the success of bans on one-time use plastics? A. They target only consumers. B. They promote plastic recycling. C. They target all sections of society. D. They focus only on manufacturers. The correct answer is C. They target all sections of society. How many lumbar vertebrae are typically found? A. 7. B. 10. C. 5. D. 4. The correct answer is D. 4. Can paper be recovered after it is burned? A. Yes, it's a physical change. B. Yes, if the burning is incomplete. C. No, because its composition has altered. D. Yes, by cooling the carbon dioxide. The correct answer is C. No, because its composition has altered. Which of these ions is listed with a +1 charge? A. Cr3+. B. Li+. C. Ba2+. D. Fe2+. The correct answer is B. Li+. Which vitamin deficiency leads to scurvy? A. Vitamin D. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin A. D. Vitamin B. The correct answer is B. Vitamin C. What particles are used to bombard lighter elements to induce artificial radioactivity? A. Alpha particles. B. Neutrons. C. Beta particles. D. Gamma rays. The correct answer is A. Alpha particles. How many dynes are equal to 1 GF? A. 1 dyne. B. 98 dyne. C. 980 dyne. D. 9.8 dyne. The correct answer is C. 980 dyne. What surrounds the manganese dioxide in the described electrochemical mixture? A. Zinc vessel. B. Iron scalpel. C. Pitch or shellac. D. Charcoal and muslin bag. The correct answer is D. Charcoal and muslin bag. Which type of oxides are formed when metals like magnesium, iron, and sodium burn in oxygen? A. Basic oxides. B. Neutral oxides. C. Acidic oxides. D. Amphoteric oxides. The correct answer is A. Basic oxides. What is the root word for a 5-carbon chain in IUPAC nomenclature? A. Pent. B. Butt. C. Prop. D. Hex. The correct answer is A. Pent. Which phase of the moon immediately follows a new moon during the waxing period? A. First quarter. B. Waxing crescent. C. Full gibbous. D. Waning gibbous. The correct answer is B. Waxing crescent. What happens to roots in an aeroponic system if misting cycles are interrupted? A. They become overhydrated. B. They become dormant. C. They dry out rapidly. D. They start to grow faster. The correct answer is C. They dry out rapidly. What is obtained from heating gypsum? A. Sodium hydroxide. B. NPK. C. Plaster of Paris. D. Ammonium hydroxide. The correct answer is C. Plaster of Paris. Which type of lens is used as a magnifying lens? A. Biconcave lens. B. Cylindrical lens. C. Concave lens. D. Convex lens. The correct answer is D. Convex lens. What type of change might be observed when cooling is applied in the reversing activity? A. Chemical reaction. B. No change. C. Irreversible change. D. Reversible change. The correct answer is D. Reversible change. How did you score?